All right, y'all. So I got the pipe and ran for this thing. You can see I got a little gap right there. I'm going to have to put a little piece of filler metal in, and then comes around here. Got it all tacked up. Got a little boot there, tack there. Does a little janky turn there. A bunch of little miniature turns, and then it heads up to right there. There we go. Perfect. Lined up a lot better. I got about 10 welds to do on it. I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boots instead of the 10 it would have took to done this without welding it. So I'll weld it up and give y'all a video of that and the finished product. So that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, like, follow, and share. Y'all have a good one.